What's going on, y'all? Welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. I'm Imani Murray, and this is my YouTube channel where I share social media tips and tricks to help brands and businesses improve their social media presence. And today we are talking about Instagram checkout and its top 2 main benefits. So before we even get into this video, make sure you check out my Instagram shop video, my last video, where I actually talk about Instagram shop and kind of introduce Instagram checkout, just so you know how the two intertwine with each other. Because Instagram checkout is the checkout feature for Instagram shop. So you need to know what Instagram shop is before we get into Instagram features. So make sure you go take a look at that video, and I'll link it up right here and I'll link it down below. All right, so let's get into Instagram checkouts top 2 main benefits. Before we even, actually I lied, before we even get into that, what is Instagram checkout? Instagram checkout allows your users, allows your followers to actually shop and purchase your items, your products, whatever you're selling in your Instagram shop right within Instagram. They do not have to leave the app. They can check out directly within the app. Let me tell y'all, Instagram is trying to make it so hard for you to leave the app, okay? They don't want users to leave the app, so they're doing anything and everything to get their users to stay within the app, and Instagram checkout is no different. So let's get into the actual benefits. So the first main benefit of Instagram checkout is its convenience. Literally, because you don't have to leave the app, it makes it so convenient for your potential customers to just purchase your items right from the app. I'm going to keep saying that because that's literally like the main convenience, is the main benefit to Instagram checkout, is not having to leave the app to purchase a product. Okay? You can enter your shipping information when you're going to check out. It'll ask you the standard billing information, so your name, your contact information, your address, the shipping info, your billing info, all of the above. They'll ask you right within Instagram, and you can purchase your product. You don't have to leave the app. If that's not like the number one, like super convenient, like super convenient. And let me put a disclaimer out there. This is not Instagram shop, Instagram checkout is not something that you should replace your e-commerce website with. As I've stated in my PR video, my Are You Truly Ready for PR video, you should still have a platform, online presence separate from your social media, just in case Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, all of the above goes down for the day. Where your customers and your clients going to go to? You need an online presence. But Instagram checkout / Instagram shop is just another way to make the shopping experience easier for your customers, because as I said before, everybody wants everything to be easy as 1, 2, 3. So doing this is making it super easy. And in my next video, I'll talk about how you can actually increase your traffic and increase your sales with Instagram checkout. This one is we're just going to talk about the top 2 main benefits. Like I said, the first one is the convenience. Literally, you don't have to leave the app. They can pick their size, the color they want, all of the above right within the app. If that's not convenient, I don't know what is, okay? They don't have to go to another platform just to check out. And the second benefit to Instagram checkout is the exposure. So this kind of goes back and forth with Instagram checkout and Instagram shop. It kind of plays off of each other. So when you go into Instagram shop tab from the Explorer button, or if you're exclusive enough to have the updated Instagram app, you just click the shop button at the bottom of your app. It'll take you right to Instagram shop. In the Instagram shop world, there is a directory which features all of the brands that your followers follow. So if one of your followers follows Fenty Skin, Fenty Beauty, Savage X Fenty, and all the other brands that she has, all of those brands will populate within the directory. Also within the directory, which plays off of the exposure aspect, are a list of brands that are similar or a list of brands that Instagram suggests you to interact with based on your activity within the app. Just as your Explore page features random people and accounts based on your activity, Instagram does the same thing in Instagram Shop, and it suggests you certain random brands that you can shop with. And like I said, this is kind of interchangeable with Instagram Shop / Instagram Checkout. They are, intertwined with each other. They go hand in hand. You don't necessarily have to use Instagram Checkout to use Instagram Shop, but you do have to use Instagram Shop to use Instagram Checkout. Get what I'm saying? So the second part of the exposure benefit is something that Instagram has recently introduced, which is called shopping with creators. So if you decide to partner with a creator or influencer, they can go ahead and tag your product in their actual post. So instead of just tagging your brand's page, they can actually tag the post. So then their followers can click on the tag, and it'll go right to the product page, and boom, your exposure is increased, because now you're not just promoting your brand's product, you also have other influencers, creators promoting your product, which is increasing the exposure to your brand, to your business, to your Instagram Shop / Instagram Checkout. Because when they click on that product, it takes them to the product page, and then if you have Instagram Checkout set up, boom, the people can check out right then and there, which leads to an increase in sales and an increase in traffic. But we'll talk about that in my next video. So convenience, because convenient is super convenient for people to just shop within the app, not have to leave the app, and the potential exposure you can get from Instagram Checkout, whether it's from the directory or partnering with creators. Either one will help increase your exposure. Now, of course, I can't just talk about the actual benefits without talking about the other side of Instagram Checkout. Some people may not be fully sold on Instagram Checkout feature just yet, mainly because of the fees. But with every e-commerce third-party platform, you're going to get some type of fee incorporated into your sales, right? Right. Instagram Checkout is no different. So at the timing of me recording this video and me uploading this video, Instagram Checkout selling fee is currently 5% per shipment, or it's 40 cents per shipment, $8 or less. Does that make sense? So you have either 5% per shipment or 40 cents per shipment if the shipment is $8 or less. And that's a flat rate. As with every e-commerce platform, period, whether you're doing Eventbrite, whether you're doing Instagram Checkout, if you're doing Shopify, there's going to be some type of fee incorporated into it. It's just, do you want to sit there and take on an additional fee? That's up to you. But I will say, as I talked about in my Instagram Shop video, you don't necessarily have to use Instagram Checkout. You can still direct your followers, your supporters to your website if you want, versus having them check out within the app. Instead of the button saying add to cart or buy now, you can just have it go to your website and then say view on website. It's really up to you. We'll talk about some fun things in the next video where you can actually increase your traffic and your sales using Instagram Checkout. So maybe after that, you'll think about incorporating checkout into some of your products. You don't have to use Instagram Checkout on your entire Instagram Shop. You can just do one product using Instagram Checkout and all the other products using Instagram Shop, just regular, and connecting it back to your website. But you gotta stay tuned for the next video to understand what I'm actually talking about. And if you decide to not use Instagram Checkout, that doesn't mean that your posts aren't shoppable. You can still make your posts shoppable as of now. I don't know, Instagram may, decide to update and change that and get real stingy, and but we don't know yet. As of now, that's not the case. You can still make your post shoppable without having to use Instagram Checkout. Your customers will still be able to save the post. They'll still be able to play around with the actual product page and swipe through the pictures. and share it to their friends through DMs, all of the above. And that is all for today's video. Thank you for watching. I will catch you in my next one. As always, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe if you are into these types of videos. Comment down below. Let me know if you're going to actually be incorporating Instagram checkout into your strategy. I would love to see. I would love to hear about it. And as always, follow me on all social media platforms at It's Imani Murray. Thank you for watching. I will catch you in my next video coming next week. All about the top 5 ways to increase your sales and your traffic using Instagram checkout.